Hello my dear friends, welcome back. In this lecture I am going to teach you about a random function. I know what you are going to say, that you already know the random function will give you the random numbers, doesn't it? Yeah, in one sense it is true. But the truth is that MATLAB will never give you the random numbers. It always gives the same numbers whenever you call the rand function. It just only look like random numbers. How's that? Let's check it out. Let's call a random matrix of 3 by 3 size. There you go. Let's save the result, copy it and save in notepad. Here we go. Let's close the MATLAB and restart it. It's gone a little bit time, so be patient. And here we go. Okay, now let's again call random function and create 3 by 3 matrix. It will be a little bit familiar, doesn't it? Let's compare both results. It is the same numbers, same matrix. And why is that? Reason behind is that MATLAB give you random number by using algorithms. So when you restart the MATLAB, it will also restart the algorithm. So it will start from beginning, and so it will give you the same random numbers. But what if you want same number without restarting the MATLAB? You can do it by using a one MATLAB built-in function. It is RNG. So RNG and tell him from where do you want to start. I want to start from beginning, so let's say 0, and I want one random matrix. Let's this time call small matrix of 2 by 2. Let's repeat the command. It's the same matrix. Now let's say I want to start from the 0.5th. So let's change the value of RNG. Let's say 5th. Again turn RNG 5th. You get the same random numbers. And this RNG works on everyone, in rand and also on rand E. So let's check it out. RNG, let's say 2. Dear rand D. I want number from 1 to 10, so 10, and I want matrix of 2 by 2, so 2. Here we go. Again let's run the same command and you get the same result. The benefit of this point is that when you want same numbers for testing your program, you will get an n number of random numbers. Actually same numbers, I have to say that. But what if you want every time a different numbers or random numbers? You can do it by typing a simple string in RNG. It's a shuffle. Let's try it. It is a string, so you have to type in quotes. Shuffle. And let's hit the enter. Again, I type the same thing, but then also I got different random numbers. The reason behind is that shuffle will take as your computer clock as an input argument. So whenever you type shuffle, it will take the clock input time of your computer and give it RNG. So every second the value of clock is changed, because your computer works on microseconds, and with a super fast computer then it works on nanoseconds. So RNG always get different input arguments, so it always gives different output arguments. So this way you can always generate a random numbers by using RNG. So in this lecture we learned that random function don't always give random numbers. You can always get the same number by using RNG and typing same input arguments. And if you want always different random number, then you have to type one string shuffle and you always get different output arguments or results, or I can say random numbers. Here we end our session. See you next lecture. Goodbye.